In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do key mapping on Bluestacks 5. Key mapping lets you control your mobile games with your keyboard and mouse, making gameplay faster and more precise. I'll walk you through the process from opening your game to testing your controls so you can start playing the way you prefer. First, launch Bluestacks 5 and open the game you want to control. It's important to have the game running so you can see the on-screen buttons and place controls exactly where they belong. Once you're on the main screen or in a match, you're ready to map. Next, open the key mapping tool. Look at the right sidebar in Bluestacks and click the keyboard icon labeled Game Controls. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl plus Shift plus A. This opens the key mapping editor and overlays an interface on top of your game so you can add and customize controls. Now add the controls you need. You'll see several options. Use the D-pad for movement so you can move with the familiar W, A, S, and D keys. Tap spot is perfect for any on-screen button like attack, interact, or skill icons. Place it wherever you tap in-game. Shooting mode is designed for shooters, giving you precise mouse aiming and firing controls. And swipe control helps with drag or swipe actions like opening radial menus or moving the camera in certain games. Drag the control type you want from the editor onto the game screen exactly where that action happens. After placing controls, assign keys. Click a control you've placed, like a tap spot over your attack button, then press the key you want to trigger it. You might choose space for jump, F for interact, shift for sprint, or a mouse button for attack. Repeat this for each control so every important action has a key. Adjust the position of each control so it lines up perfectly with the in-game buttons. Drag to fine-tune placement and resize the control circle if the button is small or you want a larger tap area for reliability. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Close the editor and return to the game to test. Press your assigned keys and move your mouse to make sure every action triggers correctly. If something feels off, reopen the editor, tweak placements or keys, save again, and retest. A common setup is W, A, S, D to move, the mouse to look around, left click to attack, space to jump, and shift to sprint. With that, you're ready to play comfortably and efficiently on Bluestacks 5.